Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to break down one of the most famous formulas in math, the Pythagorean Theorem. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple and show you exactly how it works. The Pythagorean Theorem is a rule that only works for right-angled triangles, triangles that have one 90-degree angle. It helps us find the missing side of the triangle. The formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Understanding right-angled triangles. 1. A right-angled triangle is any triangle that contains exactly one right angle. 2. The sides that create the right angle are known as the legs, while the side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. Let's talk about what these letters actually mean. 1. The sides in B are the two shorter sides, called the legs. 2. The side C is the longest side, called the hypotenuse. 3. The hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. Using the Pythagorean theorem. There are 3 easy steps to solve the Pythagorean theorem. Step 1. Look at the triangle and identify the two legs and the hypotenuse, then record how long each one is. Step 2. Figure out which side length is missing. Step 3. Replace the variables in the formula with the lengths you know, then calculate the missing value. Let's do an example question together. Step 1. Look at the triangle and identify the two legs and the hypotenuse, then record how long each one is. Step 2. Figure out which side length is missing. In our question, the hypotenuse is missing. Step 3. Replace the variables in the formula with the lengths you know, then calculate the missing value. So first write the Pythagorean theorem formula. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Then substitute the known values into the formula. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. Now we have to square each value. 9 plus 16 equals c squared. Then add the results. 25 equals c squared. Now we have to take the square root of both sides. 5 equals c. Final answer. The hypotenuse is 5 inches. So that is the Pythagorean theorem. Use these steps to solve the Pythagorean theorem anytime you get a question about it. And that's the Pythagorean theorem. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more math made easy. And I'll see you in the next math video.